Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your MetaTrader 5's demos account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your demo account of MetaTrader 5, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 5 application. The home page of MetaTrader 5 application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. Tap on Get Started. Click on plus icon at the top right side of the page. Search for your broker or tap on Meta Quotes. On the next page, enter your login credentials, choose your server and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your demo account of MetaTrader 5 quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.